A lot of you are applying for Scrum Master jobs, but on top of that, you're not getting the placement that you're looking for. History here that you need to go through to understand where the market has evolved to. So watch this video to the very end so you understand everything that I'm saying here. If you don't understand everything and you just watch the first 5 minutes of the video, you're going to walk away with the wrong impression. So if you're not going to watch this video to the end, just log off now. But if you're going to watch this video to the end, get a pen and paper ready and start writing this down. So here we go. From 2000, that was the year 2000, that was the first introduction of the Scrum Master, okay? This Scrum Master was introduced to the world, and this was a role that was slowly adopted by many organizations across the world. And what happened was that this was a successful adoption and people saw the benefits of this role of the Scrum Master going forward, okay? Now, what's happened is that since the pandemic, the role has evolved. The role has evolved. The role has now become a Scrum Master / project manager. Now that might not be a surprise to most of you already know this, that you need to have a blend of skills within the Scrum Master space, but also within the project management space. And you will notice in the job descriptions when you're applying for jobs online, you won't see the word Scrum Master as much. You might see Agile Project Manager. That's one of the most popular terms that you'll see. If you don't see that term, the other term that you're going to see is the one that we refer to as the delivery manager role. So I hope you're taking note of this, guys. This is important stuff. What are these roles? What are we talking about, this Agile Project Manager and this delivery manager? Actually, what we're referring to here is the person has capabilities, skills, and talents within the management space, the Scrum Mastering space, but also the coaching space. You have a blend of skill sets in all three domains. Then you become an Agile Project Manager, then you become a delivery manager. This is where the industry has headed to. So when you embark on a Scrum Master certification, you're getting one of those domains covered. You're also missing other domains as well. Now, some of you also take the Advanced Scrum Master, and that's fine. If you want to specialize, that's absolutely fine. But a lot of you, and I've said this in my past videos as well, if you go and watch my videos from 1 year ago, you also need to equip yourself with a project management certification. This will give you the backbone that you need, okay? So the question becomes, can you be successful as a Scrum Master who just gets a Scrum Master certification and apply for jobs and get the job? Yes, absolutely you can. Yes, you can absolutely do that. Don't think, it's not possible. It's 100% possible. What I'm saying here is, if you want to get the high salary, if you want to get the job quickly, if you want that career change to happen more smoothly for yourself, then you got to apply all the domains at the one time. This is where Scrum Mastering comes into play. This is where the project management comes into play. But on top of that, when you blend them together, you become that delivery manager that everyone is looking for. Okay, so we understand now that the role has evolved. What does this mean for you going forward? Educationally speaking, you still need to get a Scrum Master certification. You will not get past this. Okay? You still need to get a Scrum Master certification. That's number one. Number two, once when you complete the Scrum Master certification, you also need to start thinking about, right, I need to get some project management skills. I need to get some project management abilities. When you get those abilities, it basically means that you can start to blend in what you're learning there into your craft to become a delivery manager going forward. This will make you into a very tantalizing prospect for future recruiters, for companies that are looking to hire you. In order to do this, you got to go on the journey. You got to commit yourself to the journey, okay? Scrum Master has always been one of the best places to go and get certified and start to change your career. But to really make this bulletproof, you got to also think about project management. Project management will give you the missing abilities that you're all struggling in. This is not to say that the Scrum Master certification is rubbish. No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying to you guys is you need both. You need both. Get the Scrum Master certification, you're good to go. Get the project management certification, you're 2 times good to go, and then become that delivery manager and start delivering the projects. What's the benefit for you? What's the benefit for the company? The benefit is this. You are positioning yourself as someone that's going to enhance the productivity, that's going to enhance the productivity and deliver items to the business. What that means is if you're delivering items to the business, outputs and outcomes, the business can start to utilize. They can start to produce what they need to produce and start to make money in the way that they need to make money. Don't just think for the sake of this channel that we are pure agilists here. No, we're not. We're not agilists here. We are not pure agile people on this channel. No, we are pragmatic on this channel. We look at the market, we analyze the market, we look at the data points, we get feedback from our students, and when we understand this is the direction the market's heading in. The area for you guys to traverse now is the project management space. This is what's missing for all of you. This is what's missing for 90% of you. You have the Scrum Master certification, but you're missing the project management certification. Now, there are 3 big ones in the world right now that I'm familiar with. Prince2, Agile Project Management, and also the PMP. The one I would recommend for everyone, which is the gold standard, you will not beat this one, is PMP, Project Management Professional. It's been the gold standard for 30, 40 years now. You will not beat this thing, okay? Now, even if you don't want to get certified as a project manager, you should at least get educated as a PMP, as a project management professional. So at least you go for the training and you get yourself educated and you attain the skills that this is the way that the project manager operates within the projects. Once when you acquire that skill set, you have already acquired the Scrum Master skill set, you blend them together and you become this completely, totally new beast that's going to be attractive for recruiters and companies going forward. Who's it benefiting? You at the end of the day. It's not benefiting me, it's benefiting you guys at the end of the day. So, this is the path that the market is going within. You can absolutely be successful as a Scrum Master. You can absolutely take this full certification and go for it that way. But if you really want to fully proof yourself, solid proof it, future proof yourself, you want to back it up with a project management certification. PMP is my recommendation as always. And if you guys are interested to take the PMP certification, drop my team a message. The email will be in the description. You can drop us a message and we'll happily facilitate yourselves onto the next PMP training. So guys, that's all I wanted to say today. Thank you so much for watching, and as always guys, like, share, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, share the video with someone that's struggling to become Scrum Master, Project Manager, or Delivery Manager, whoever they're wanting to become. This will surely help them. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching.